If you are the adventure seeker, here is the place to explore the Cairn Hill Reserve Forest. The Cairn Hill is an ecotourism and there is a forest site on the Avalanche Road, Ooty. And it is nearly 86 km from Coimbatore and 3 km away from Ooty town. So once you enter into this Cairn Hill, you can find the small museum in the display. You can see the whole historical photographs of Greece and the life cycle of the tribal people. And then it's the time to explore by getting into the forest. Definitely you will enjoy this trekking, which is almost 2 kilometers of walking experience in the wilderness between those gigantic trees with dark and breeze environment. Also you can find the hanging bridge inside this forest. At the end of our trekking, you can find the watchtower. So there is the ritual treat is waiting for us. Get the very beautiful art of nature to see the whole forest. But in this forest area, for our sake, we can have only the fixed trail. So anyone can explore this amazing place, amazing experience with your friends, families, while visiting Ooty or Kothagiri. But make sure, except summer could be the best time to visit this place for better experience. forget to drop your comments and subscribe. Thank you.